it until it's melted. 1 tablespoon of sugar. In a bowl, we put 1 egg, 50 grams of sugar. Gonna mix it together. Mix until it's smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add 100 ml of milk. Mix it together. Add 120 grams of flour. Add the cocoa powder. Mix the cocoa powder together. The baking powder. Add the lemon juice. Put it all on the banana.